What's going on, everybody? Got another hard reset for you today. Today we are going to do the LG Classic Flip. This one's from TrackPhone. If you have one of these and you have a passcode, you forgot what it is, and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so if there's anything important on here, it's going to get deleted, so bear that in mind. And lastly, if you guys haven't subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so just a reminder. All right, let's get right into this. So what you want to do is make sure that the phone is turned off, and in this case, it already is. And what we want to do is we want to hold, you have your volume up, volume down. We want to hold the volume down and the power key at the same time. So I'm going to hold volume down first, then hold the power key. Once the phone turns on, let go of power and then hold it down again. So let go and holding it again. And then there you go, there's your reset. You're going to use the volume buttons to scroll. I'm going to scroll to yes. Power button is to select, so we'll select yes. And then once you to confirm again, I'll do yes. And when you hit yes the second time, it usually takes a couple seconds to actually register that you are doing a hard reset, so you did actually push it. You don't have to push it a million times, but there it goes, and it's basically done. And that's how you do a hard reset on a LG Classic Flip. This phone will load to the welcome screen, and then you can navigate it and set it up how you wish when it was new. So there's that. If you guys have any questions or comments or want to see a specific model, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.